TCL is finally done with its first true BlackBerry handset, and we have to say, it looks even better than when we first saw it. Now, that is a statement that needs some explanation, if we ever saw one. You see, back at CES 2017, TCL showcased the BlackBerry Mercury, a device that was in the works as the first BB to come from the company as an official hardware manufacturer for the brand. As promised, it is now 2 months or so later, and the Mercury is finally here, only its Tech 70 and Mercury monikers have been replaced with KEON. Key features: 149 by 72.4 by 9.4 mm, with an anodized aluminum frame and soft touch fabric on the back. 4.5-inch, 1620 by 1080 pixel, IPS LCD touchscreen display, 434p Gorilla Glass 4 protection. Capacitive Touch 4-row BlackBerry QWERTY keyboard, fingerprint reader and the space button, and 52-key shortcut support. Stereo speakers, 3.5mm audio jack. Qualcomm MSM8953 Snapdragon 625, octa-core 2.0 GHz Cortex-A53, Adreno 506, 3GB RAM. 32GB onboard storage, microSD card slot. 12MP, f/2.0, 1.55 mm, phase detection autofocus, dual LED, dual tone, flash. 4K at 30 fps video recording. 8MP, 1.125 mm, 84-degree wide selfie camera. Android 7.1.1 Nougat with Tech and BlackBerry software suite. 3505 mAh battery, quick charge 3.0. Cat 9 LTE support, dual band 802.11a/g/b/NAC, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, NFC, FM radio, USB Type-C with OTG.